Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2026. So we will see what's coming to you. This is a general reading, so pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services na mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, nandyan sa description or comment section. Okay? So, let's see, Capricorn. What's the energy? March 2026. For Caps. Your intuition isn't ghosting you. You're just not listening. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring yung instinct nyo, sinasabi na sa inyo na ito yung makakabuti sa inyo. Kaya lang, pinipilit nyo pa rin talaga yung gusto nyo. Oh. 'Di ba? Minsan kasi ganon. Meron tayong gusto, pero kahit alam natin na hindi yun makakabuti, gagawin pa rin. So, it's time to listen to your instinct and your intuition kasi this is about you na ginaguide ka doon sa tamang landas. Stop confusing passion with a panic attack. Okay. So, maari kasi may mga times na parang feeling mo you like something or ito yung minsan ganun ewan ko, siguro yung iba meron ditong ADHD or hindi undiagnosed, no, pwedeng undiagnosed na parang you want to try this something na gusto mong subukan and then biglang isip mo na ay pag gagawin mo na ano you feel anxious ka na, no. So parang inisip mo, oh, this may be my passion, ito maaring ito yung gusto mo, but it's not really what you want deep within you. Parang some of you maaring you're just using it as an excuse. Oo. So, yeah. You will know na passion mo talaga yan kapag hindi ka anxious about it. 'Di ba? Na parang it flows naturally. 'Di ba? Oh. Pag-isipan mo yan. Kasi sabihin natin, oh, gusto ko itong ginagawa ko eh. Pero pag andyan na gagawin mo na, parang, teka lang, ganun. Nagkakaroon ka ng panic attacks. Okay, if they wanted to, they would, period. Kung gusto nila na makipag-communicate or makasama ka, gagawin nila yun. Wala nang ibang reason. Okay? Minsan kasi, yung bang parang ginagaslight natin yung sarili natin, ay hindi, siguro busy lang siya, kaya hindi siya nakikipag-communicate. Kung gusto niya talaga, makikipag-communicate yan kahit busy pa yan. Oo. So, it's time to, see the signs if you are connecting with someone. Oo. Pwede rin naman to mag-apply sa work, no? Kung sa tingin mo, let's say sa trabaho, nakita mo na hindi ka naman hindi ka pinapaboran sa work, o maaring hindi ka favorite, o kaya nakita mo na kahit ginagawa mo yung trabaho mo ng maayos pero wala pa ring increase ng sweldo or hindi ka nare-recognize, baka talagang walang value, no? Hindi ka nila binavalue sa work. So now, dun ka na magde-decide whether you still want to stay in that situation or not, 'di ba? Oh, speaking of staying in a situation, may completion dito. Merong ending. So I feel like there is a completion of a project or a contract na yun nga matatapos na. So you are meant to start something new ngayong March. Oh, maganda rin to. You are forgiving yourself. You are forgiving others. Minsan kasi we become too hard on ourselves na yung bang masyado tayong nagsiset ng matataas na standards para sa sarili natin, para sa ibang tao. Ang ending na di-disappoint tayo. So it's time to forgive yourself. Wala namang perfectong tao. You can start all over again. Now, your overall energy, ooh, the Four of Wands. This is stability. This is about completion also. So, maaring merong celebration kasi may natapos kang project, natapos kang work, or yung iba, nagpagawa kayo ng bahay, or may inaayos kayo sa bahay, rearranging ng mga gamit, upgrading ng mga gamit sa bahay. So, finally, natapos nyo na yan ngayong March. This is also about victory. So, maaring you are celebrating a victorious accomplishment. Now, your challenge is the Ten of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may challenging situation kung meron kayong issues with inheritance. Pwedeng sama na kasi to dahil family issues related sa pera. Yung iba naman, pwedeng ito ay sa lupa, sa bahay, kung sino yung maghahati-hati, para kanino dapat tong bahay na to, lupa na to. So, this can be a family affair, family issues related sa money, resources, or properties. Now, your opportunity, the Eight of Swords. So, your opportunity is to free yourself from overthinking, free yourself from the limitations na ikaw rin mismo ang nagbibigay sa sarili mo. Kasi minsan nga yun, yung parang, ito yung standards na sineset natin para sa sarili natin. Kasi nga, gusto natin makuha agad yung, ma-achieve agad yung goal. Kaya lang minsan hindi siya realistic. So, it's time to check and reassess your situation. You have the opportunity na to be easy on yourself paminsan-minsan. Okay? And ito rin yung opportunity mo na iwasan yung pakikinig sa advice ng iba na alam mo naman na hindi makakatulong sa'yo. Diba? Now, your blessing is the Five of Wands. So, this is about competition. This is also about breaking the, parang, anong tawag doon? Yung breaking the standards, something like that. So, you are breaking free from the people's judgment, or parang, yung iba kasi sa inyo, you feel like meron kayong laging kailangan patunayan sa ibang tao. Now, your blessing is finally, hindi mo na kailangang may patunayan sa ibang tao because you are your own success. Okay? Now, your focus is the King of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, focus nyo pag-aaral, research, updating or upgrading your knowledge, your skill set. Some of you maaring yung bang parang magle-lay low, mananahimik muna, or parang in solitude, no, na let's say hindi kayo masyadong mag-social media kasi magfo-focus ka sa mga projects mo, sa trabaho mo, ano man tong pinupurso mo sa buhay. I also see an opportunity for you to lead, to become a leader. Oo. At yung pagiging leader mo, this is monumental para sa'yo kasi parang ikaw yung aayos ng isang sitwasyon, grupo na nagkakagulo. Kailangan ka nila. Kailangan nila ng ng wisdom mo. Wealth. Yung ganda. So, you will also focus on your money, career, finances, your sources of income ngayong March. Guaranteed success. Ang ganda. I-claim nyo na to, Capricorn. Guaranteed success sa inyong mga pinupursu sa buhay. Wow naman. Great good fortune. Clover leaf, 4-leaf clover. Wow. So, I see this as a success in your finances, career, mga plans ninyo sa buhay. Kasi definitely may celebration dito eh. So, the more that you are aligning yourself to your goals, aligning yourself sa iyong purpose, mas nagiging successful ka. You also have dissatisfaction in life. So, I think itong dissatisfaction na to, kaya yung iba sa inyo, you are really exerting a lot of effort kasi hindi kayo kontento sa sitwasyon na meron kayo ngayon. So, you really want to achieve more. And yun yung gagamitin mo na inspiration. Diba? To step into your own power. Oh my God. Don't take a back seat in your story. It's time to step up. You are stepping up. You are becoming a better version of yourself. Digital detox, recalibrate, reset, and recharge. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na, kumbaga parang mananahimik kayo, maglalaylo kayo, alis kayo sa drama, iiwas kayo sa mga drama, issue sa buhay ng ibang tao kasi magpo-focus ka sa pag-aayos ng sarili mong buhay. Kasi you really want to speed up your success ngayong March. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.